Gain knowledge through reading. Helen Keller. Helen Keller was born on June 27, 1880 in Tuscumbia, Alabama. When she was 19 months old, she got very sick. The disease left her unable to see and hear. Even though the sickness made her both blind and deaf, with these disabilities, she became a skilled writer and speaker. A teacher named Anne Sullivan came to help Helen Keller in 1887. She taught young Helen how to communicate. Helen Keller was very bright. She graduated from Radcliffe College in 1904. She was the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. She wrote magazine articles that told people about disabilities and women's rights. She also wrote several books about her life. She devoted much of her later life to raising funds for the American Foundation for the Blind. She was an author, activist, lecturer, and also good inspiration. Let's do this activity. Could you please write these meanings? Activist, author, lecturer, inspiration. Activist, a person who campaigns to bring about political or social change. Author, a writer of a book, article, or document. Lecturer, a person who gives lectures, especially as an occupation at a university or higher education. Inspiration, someone who gives you ideas for doing something. Practice makes a man into progress. Thanks for watching. See you on another lesson.